Today I'm going to be starting some flower seeds and some onion seeds, so I thought I would take you along. So today we're going to start, let's see, candy onions, and then we're going to start. Let's see, I have some Gomphrena from Baker's Creek. Yes, some calendula. Some echinacea. How pretty is that one? Paradise Super Duper. Like a double one. I'm so excited. Some cosmos. Some Shasta daisies. Some mellow yellow coneflowers. Some celosia flamingo pink. How cute is that? So excited. Butterfly bush. These are all from Baker's. And then some Kiss Me Over the Garden Gate. I've never even grown this before, so it looked really interesting. And some, what was it called? It's grass, purple. I use it in the centerpiece of my pots. So I saved some of the seeds from that, so we'll start that. Sorry, if I can think of it, I'll put it on the screen. Like I said, we have all of our seeds, which are a big mess now. I use just disposable baking tins because they come with the tops, and they're so much cheaper than the trays. I may decide later on that wasn't such a good idea, but we'll see. Got some scissors. And then I have my bus box. Yeah, it's just a big rubber container that I put the soil in so that I don't make a big mess on my kitchen table. And then I have some natural and organic seed starting mix from Jiffy. So we're using that, and then some water. So we're gonna need going to pour this whole thing in here because okay, so when it comes out of the bag, it's super dry, and mine's been out in the garage, so it's got some frozen bits. So I'm gonna break up those bits, and then we'll put some water in there. And so and you just kind of mix it around until you can grab it and it sticks together, but it doesn't like seep out water. So that's not quite there yet. And you can use a shovel if you want. Okay. I'm just going to fill up these trays for the onions and the flowers because I'm going to have to like separate them anyways. Should put this right there. Okay. Okay, there's one. I'm going to speed up. I'm just going to do one tray of onions. So this is the candy onions that we got from Gurney's. And this is what onion seeds look like. And I'm going to use this whole thing. I think, let's see. Just gonna make a little rows in here. Just guesstimating on I think this is 1/4 of an inch deep. Plants are pretty forgiving. Oh, and that little corner needs a little more soil. Okay, so I'm just gonna sprinkle them on in here and try to make the whole packet last the whole tray, and then we'll cover them up and water them in. I need to go get my mist bottle. So they're kind of hard to see in the dark soil, but I'm trying to get them pretty evenly spaced out. Just use all the seeds, because that's one thing with onion seeds. I've heard that they don't really last year to year like most other seeds. Okay. Now we're going to cover them up a little bit. Oh, there's my little girly. Okay. Got them covered up. I'm going to go get my spray bottle, water them in, and I'll be right back. There we go. Yeah. Okay, I put the lid on and you keep it on until the seedlings pop through the soil.
that you dreamed it'd be. Ending up here, ending up with me. You could have gone anywhere, been